Smallest birds. The smallest bird in the world is the bee hummingbird, Mellisuga helenae. Which is found in Cuba. The male bee hummingbird measures about 2.25 inches, 5.7 centimeters in length, and weighs only about 0.06 ounces, 1.6 grams. The female is slightly larger, measuring up to 2.75 inches, 7 centimeters in length and weighing up to 0.07 ounces, 2 grams. Other small birds include the elfin-woods warbler, Setophaga angelae, found in Puerto Rico, which is about 4 inches, 10 centimeters long and weighs around 0.2 ounces, 5 grams, and the goldcrest, Regulus, which is found in Europe and Asia and is about 3.5 inches, 9 centimeters long and weighs about 0.2 ounces, 5 grams. It was small topic about smallest birds. Please subscribe our video for more nature video. Thanks for watching.